XAMPP will be, here's XAMPP control panel, which, and remember, XAMPP was installed outside of program files, but still within the C drive. So I'm going to click here. I can find it there, or if you scroll down, way down, WX. Remember, programs are installed in alphabetical order, are listed alphabetically in here. So okay, so it's a new folder, that's why you have new here. Bitnami for Windows, XAMPP control panel, XAMPP htdocs folder, that's the live folder. So I'm going to click this. There's a shortcut up there at the top of the program list where you have recently added. I could have clicked here, but I wanted to see, show you where exactly the XAMPP's shortcut collection really is. I like to call it that. So which is here. So I've clicked that, and here's the control panel. But if you observe the modules, Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, Tomcat are not checked by default. They are not running. So I'll click Start for Apache here for it to begin running, and then I'll do the same for MySQL. FileZilla, I don't need that now, neither do I need Mercury or Tomcat, so I'm going to leave those two as they are. Okay, this is what I was looking for. Because I'm doing this for the first time, it's now asking if I want to allow my SQLD to have access. Windows Defender firewalls block some features of this app. Allow it, yeah, allow access. That's the second Windows security alert notification I was looking out for. I'm gonna click it again. I shouldn't be getting that more notification again, so you won't be getting the security alert again if you just click allow access. But if you don't do click allow access, there's a high chance you won't be able to run MySQL in XAMPP, and in other words, it won't respond every time you try to create a database. You won't be able to do that at all. So just click allow access. So yeah, XAMPP is ready. I'm going to click my favorite browser, which is Firefox, and then alright, it's here. So localhost for all localhost for all development, PHP development. Every time you're developing on your computer, that's at development, if you just type localhost and you click enter, it should just take you to your active development homepage. And I'm using XAMPP rather, and presently, so here's the main page, which is the dashboard area. It says XAMPP Apache plus MariaDB plus PHP and Perl. And if you observe here, it's not saying MySQL, it's MariaDB. So although it was implied in the installation that MySQL would be bundled with this installation, but that's not the case. So but it really doesn't matter. MySQL and MariaDB are both database systems, and they are very much alike. From what I understand, MariaDB creators some of MySQL, the developers who felt MySQL's policy, existing policy, has deviated from their original intentions. So they decided to create MariaDB. I read that somewhere a long while ago. Not today, some years back. So, but I didn't pay much attention to it. So now, but from what I understand, they made it possible for MySQL developers, database administrators, to be able to use MariaDB easily without having to learn its own without having to learn a new SQL language, or how to, they didn't want to make porting to MariaDB difficult, which is a very a clever thing to do. That's to the credit of the developers, right? So this is it, right? If we want to check out AMPs, I would have to quit or close, not close here. Well, I could do that, but I prefer clicking the quit. So XAMPP knows it's supposed to stop all existing processes. So I'll click quit, and then let's see if my laptop's battery is running low. But here it says error, cannot create file, XAMPP control.ini, access is denied. Never mind that. I think it's to do with probably to do with that C++ redistributable file I didn't download. So I'm just gonna click. Oh, sorry, it's because I installed XAMPP outside of program files. So I'll just click OK. Click OK. This will virtually close and clear off, but it's just gonna take time. Well, it always does this on my computer, so that's one of the reasons I preferred using AMPs, but it's not a serious problem, frankly. So close this program. Should clear out. It does. So I'm going to show you how to I'm just going to introduce you to AMPs 2 shortly.